Assalamualaikum, welcome to my Infotech Freelancing Care channel. From now on, I will going to make all my video in English. So today I will show you how you can make a triggerable pop-up in Elementor. Let me show you. So in this website, I just make a triggerable pop-up on this button. When anyone click on this button, it will show a pop-up like this. So I will show you how you can make this today. So this is my client website. He give me a short code for this pop-up. So he wanted me to add this short code in a pop-up so that user can click on the button and they will see the pop-up. So let me show you how I make this project. So first of all, I go to the templates and pop-ups. It's from Elementor. So here you can see I already build a appointment pop-up. Let me show you how I build this pop-up. So I click on edit Elementor. This is very easy to do with Elementor because the Elementor have a lot of options to customize a pop-up or an element. So here you can see I take a div, take a column, and I take an element widget. It is called shortcode. You can see this. I just paste the shortcode in a shortcode widget. Then it will show the booking plugin. So if the plugin is installed, then you can paste the shortcode. It will show the booking plugins from. So right now I set this shortcode in a pop-up. So when the user click on this button, the button will show the pop-up. So I just set it as a pop-up and click update. Now this is the most important thing. Do not set any option from here, because there is a lot of option you will find here, but do not touch anything. Let me turn off, because these options are for very varieties of use. Like this, if you turn this option, it will, if you set one, the pop-up will surely show only one time on your website. It will not trigger second time on your website if you set this one. So please do not touch any option here. Just clear, save and close, and update. So then you need to go to your admin panel and you will see a shortcode appear here. So just copy the shortcode. Okay, and then you need to go to the place where you want to add this shortcode. So I'm going to add this shortcode in the bottom part of my footer. So I just edit this page with Elementor. Then I will show you how you can add this pop-up. So let me open it. Sometimes it takes time to load the Elementor, because Elementor is very heavy page builder, so it need a lot of bandwidth. So my internet connection is not very strong, so it's taking time. Okay, so now it's loaded. So let me show you how you can add this on the button. You can see here is some two button in here. So I will add this as a pop-up. So let me click the button, then you will see an option here. So I already add this for this button. I will show you another by making this first button. So when you click this button, you will see there is a link option. Click on this dynamic tag options, dynamic tag, and then you see this scroll option. Scroll down and just choose the pop-up. That's all. And then you can see, if you click on the pop-up, this pop-up text, you will see there is an option for selecting the pop-up. You will see all the pop-up you made on your website. Like we made a appointment pop-up, and their text, the heading is APPOINMNTMENT. Okay, so I will, it says that please enter one more character, so I just press A and it will show my appointment template. So I just select it and then I will update. That's all. Now I refresh the page and it will be work. So if you scroll down and click on this, you will see this pop-up will appear. Very easy. Add this plugin to show you how you can make this button. So if I click this button, it will show the pop-up. So it's very straightforward process. Just you need to click the dynamic tag and set the pop-up and select the pop-up you want to show. That's all. So this is the process you can make any triggerable pop-up to a button in Elementor. So let me know how you feel about the video, and I'll bring new video tomorrow. Thank you. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.